Students, this assignment is practice for your unit writing test. Now, so far, when it comes to writing in our history class, we have focused on writing a thesis statement. We have focused on evidence, and we have focused on providing an explanation which ties that evidence to your thesis statement. The only thing that we are adding for your writing assignment on the new deal, which is part of your test that you will take next week, is in this unit, you guys are going to practice writing an introductory paragraph or an introduction. In this assignment, you are going to get some practice writing an introduction. And if you guys do this assignment step by step, I think you'll find it somewhat easy. Now, we're going to look at this assignment together for a second. And when you're writing an introduction, let's make it simple. The first thing that you need to do in your introductory paragraph is you need to tell me what's going on during this time period. So I like to focus on answering these simple questions. When did this take place? And what was going on at the time? Why is that important? Focus on the when, focus on the what, and tell me who was involved. That can be a person or a specific country or a group of people. Next, you're going to tell me why this issue is important or discuss the relevance of the issue. So, 2 or 3 sentences providing some background information or a context, answering that when, what, and who. Another sentence, maybe 2 sentences on telling me why it's important, and then you finish off your introduction with your thesis statement. And remember, the thesis statement, make it a statement. 1 sentence. Restate the prompt. Give me your answer, and in this case, give me 2 reasons. In this assignment, you have an example of an introduction paragraph for the last writing assignment that you wrote on American imperialism. And if you follow along in the yellow, it tells you the context. It answers that when, what, and who. In this green or teal, whatever you want to call that, it tells you why imperialism was important. And then you'll see in the green, that is the thesis statement. Okay. So if you follow along with those 3 steps, the prompt that you are going to respond to, your introduction paragraph for this practice assignment has to do with the Roaring Twenties and the culture wars of the Roaring Twenties. I want you to use your notes. I want you to focus on those 3 steps. And I think if you go through it step by step, I think writing an introduction should not be that big of a deal. So I want you to get some practice doing that, because on your test, which you will take next week on the new deal, you are going to write an introductory paragraph for the new deal, and then you'll respond to the prompt that asks, ultimately, was the new deal a success or was it a failure? So get started on that assignment. Remember, it's practice. So I want you to do your best. I'll provide you some feedback so when it comes to test day, you can knock that out of the park. You guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you later.